Hey, good morning my bacha party. How are you today? Fit and fine? Good. Okay. Now tell me, did you practice about flowers? Yes? And did you try that activity which we did yesterday? If you have not tried, try it at home and make different flowers. You will surely enjoy. Okay, as we all know that flowers are very colorful, right children? But do you know how they got colors? So today I am going to narrate a story to all of you about how flowers got colors. Isn't it exciting? Yes? You all like stories? Okay, so chalo. I am going to tell you one nice story about it today. Let's start the story. This is a garden full of different flowers. There are many different flowers in the garden, but they have no color. So they are all very sad. They don't know what to do. One day, a beautiful butterfly visited the garden. It came towards the flowers and asked, "May I help you, friends? Why do you look so sad?" "We have no color. Will you help us?" "But how will you help us? What can you do for us?" Flowers said. "I will take the help of my dear friend Rainbow. He has many beautiful colors and he will surely help you." Saying this, the butterfly flew up high in the sky to the rainbow. "My dear Rainbow, will you help me? I need your help." "Oh, sure. How can I help you?" Rainbow said. "I went to a garden which has many different flowers, but they have no colors. Will you lend your colors to make them look beautiful? You have so many bright colors with you." Butterfly said. "Oh yes, I will. Your friends are my friends too," Rainbow replied. Rainbow gave some of his bright colors to the butterfly. The butterfly thanked the rainbow and flew down to the garden. Flowers were eagerly waiting for him. Very soon the butterfly gave colors to all the flowers in the garden. Suddenly, all the flowers looked bright and colorful. They were very happy to get the colors. They thanked the butterfly and the rainbow who had helped them to look beautiful. So did you like the story, children? Good. You can tell this story to your friends also. Okay? And tell it to your mama, papa also. Okay? So now it's time for worksheet solution. So let's see the solution. See children, I have completed my worksheet. I have colored the rose red, sunflower yellow and the marigold orange. I hope you all have done the same way. Good job children. Okay children, bye-bye for now. Take care of yourself and keep practicing, keep watching videos and keep learning. We'll see you soon.